swagger on another level. Here comes Melo.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Boston, Massachusetts, weighing in at 210 pounds, Carmelo Hayes.
Carmelo Hayes is a dynamic and exciting superstar to watch between the ropes. Nobody does it better, at least according to him.
Well, I fail to see how anyone could disagree. Hayes has ridiculous athleticism and a skill ceiling that's only getting higher.
Hayes is ready for action to begin.
This man is the powerhouse of the Hart family.
And his opponent from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
The Anvil said tonight he will arrive hungry and leave no man untested.
What does that actually mean?
Trust me, if you have to ask, you don't deserve to know. This superstar has a tall order in Carmelo Hayes tonight. Melo's proven to be a very adaptable opponent, so this guy needs to be on his toes.
And it's the brash Carmelo Hayes looking to clinch the victory here tonight.
Oh, call him brash, call him cocky. It doesn't matter, Cole. Melo has proven time and time again he's not someone you can look past. He is him. And he's not even in his prime yet.
Yeah, no one can discount Carmelo's in-ring abilities, Corey, but let's not act like his ability to run his mouth hasn't gotten him into some sticky situations.
Taking a look at the Anvil, Neidhart looks ready to go full medieval and deliver a brutal beatdown.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart was too crazy for pro football and survived training in the famous Hart Dungeon. His opponent should be very concerned for his well-being.
And into the collar and elbow.
Strong shove there. Headlock. Oh, a cheap shot right above the eye.
Sent out of the ring the hard way.
Now heading outside.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart is a dangerous competitor, Corey. What do you think the Anvil needs to do in this one to get the clear advantage?
What makes Neidhart so dangerous is his explosiveness. He never does anything halfway. He's all in on his offense. As long as he maintains that explosiveness, he should have the advantage.
Oh, man.
Right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's got to hurt. Cranking the head. Taking things back into the ring.
He might be getting up, but it doesn't look like it will be for long.
He's leaving the ring now. No countouts to worry about.
Snap suplex.
Everything's working against Neidhart now.
Yeah, impressive offense from Hayes.
From the top.
Whoa, what a landing.
Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there with the first 48. Carmelo looking as smooth as he is powerful.
He covers. Is this it?
Could be.
This is a challenge Jim the Anvil Neidhart could not overcome.
Hayes came into this match with such focus, and he did not miss.